everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is a guest and it's Stephanie's traditional home. The theme is Shades of Burgundy. So come along with me so that I can show you what I did with my tablescape. Now I don't have much of burgundy, but I tell you what I did. Okay, let's start out here with the centerpiece, guys. So we have a floral ball, okay, right here. And I think I thrifted that at the Goodwill. Then we're gonna come over here and I have a touch of winter on the table. So we have that acrylic deer, which I absolutely love. Then we have the snowballs right here and this trumpet vase, which is absolutely gorgeous. You see that? I am loving it. So then we come over here and I have my small, or my next step, apothecary jar. And I have that with like pine cones, and then we have the gold bird. And this gold bird I got at Dollar General. So I kept it so simple, okay? Now, like I said, I wasn't big on shades of burgundy, okay? But I walked into the Dollar Tree and I found this set of dishware. It is beautiful, guys. So I did the best that I could, and I hope that Stephanie likes it. And if you haven't been over to Stephanie's Traditional Homes channel, you must go over there. She has some amazing home decor and it is wonderful. I would love for you to click the like button, to leave her a beautiful comment, let her know that I sent you, and subscribe to her channel. So I have a napkin here. I think that was a gifted item. And then I have the napkin rings. And these napkin rings, I got them at Kirkland's. Absolutely fell in love with them. Then when I walked into the Dollar Tree, at least my Dollar Tree, I saw these. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? So this was like the closest that I can get to that burgundy. Look at the texture in the back. Beautiful design. Okay, so this is the salad plate, dessert plate, bread plates. And then here is the dinner plate. And like I said, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I was so impressed with Dollar Tree. So I got this one, okay. And then we have the charger, and this charger came from Hobby Lobby, guys. Absolutely love that. And so did the place settings, and I decided to layer. So we have the burlap one, and I like this color. This was really nice, guys. And then I decided to use the mesh placemat, and that mesh placemat also came from Hobby Lobby, okay. Then here is the charger. This also came from Hobby Lobby. And I also, so this kind of has like a rustic look to me, and I love that. So we have, let me place the dishes back. So we have this one, and then I have this one. I could have gone with another, the lightest shade, which I guess would have been pink, but I really wanted to keep it as close to burgundy as possible. So we have the flatware. I'm sorry about that. That came from Party City. Then I have the napkin, and I decided to overlay it like this because of the bottom pieces. I thought it would blend in so nicely. So, and the utensils I placed here, like I said, Party City. Then we have the wine glass. Okay, and this wine glass came from Dollar Tree, and this water glass was thrifted. Very simple, yet I just think it's gorgeous. I'm loving it. And then here's the votive holder and the votive. Okay, and then you have the trumpet vase. Okay, so I have winter on the table and Valentine's Day. I'm loving it, guys. It's simple, but it's like, to me, that trumpet bass gives such a wow effect. Okay, so here we are. Okay, this is amazing. I hope, Stephanie, that you like my video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.